welcome students. Today I am going to teach you the concept of fill in the blanks, and you will also learn the letters which come in these blanks. So by this concept you can learn the exact places of the letters and also learn which letter comes after this letter and which letter comes after this letter. So let's start. So our first letter is A. What comes after A is B. So we will write B in this blank like this. A, B, K. What comes after K is D. So we will write D in this blank like this. A, B, K, D, A. What comes after A is F. So we will write F in this blank like this. So after F is G. So after G, the letter comes is H. So we will write H in this blank like this. After H, the letter is E. And after E, the letter comes is J. So we will write J in this blank. After J is K. K. So after K, the letter which comes is L. After L, there is a letter M. So after M, the letter which comes is N. So this letter is O. The letter which comes after O is P. So we will write P in this blank like this. O, P, Qua. After Qua, the letter which comes is R. So we will write R in this blank. This is S. Which letter comes after S is T. So we will write T in this blank. T, A. What comes after A is V. So we will write V in this blank like this. V, Vo. What comes after Vo is X. So we will write X in this blank. X. Y. What comes after Y is Z. Z is our last letter. So dear students, you all have to write it down in your winter vacation copies by the same line pattern. Thank you.